Hey guys, Brian McIntosh out here at Limbaugh Toyota. Today we're going to take a moment and show you how to pair your phone to the Toyota Highlander. Hey guys, Brian McIntosh here at Limbaugh Toyota, and we are in the Toyota Highlander, and today we're going to look at pairing your phone. So the first thing to do is actually make sure the vehicle is turned on. And after the vehicle is on, if you'll go to your settings on your phone, and then after you're in settings, click on Bluetooth, make sure that it is turned on. And then here we're actually going to go to our home screen. We're going to hit select phone and add. So Bluetooth is on. The phone is able to recognize other devices nearby. And see, Toyota Highlander has popped up. So we're just going to click on it. And then we'll just hit skip here while it's waiting for the device to download. Hit OK, and it's already updating here on the screen. So in a second I'll pull all my contacts over. We do want to allow Toyota Intune an app to download. It's the Intune system that runs the vehicle. So it's a great opportunity if you don't already have it downloaded, a chance to download the Intune system and sign everything up. Didn't take but a second. But as you can see, all my contacts are already moved over. So if I go back to the home screen, I can click on select and hold, and you do have to hold it down, and then I can just pick somebody that I want to call, and I can save their number there, so I have a preset, so I can just reach over and touch the button. It's automatically going to call them. Once again, this is Brian McIntosh out at Limbaugh Toyota. Please give me a call at 205-781-9311 for any of your newer pre-owned vehicles.